In this video, I will show you how to register and use ChatGPT for the first time, and discover non-technical ways to make money online using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a conversational language model developed by OpenAI. It's based on the GPT-3 architecture and can generate human-like text responses to questions or prompts given to it. ChatGPT is used in various applications such as chatbots, customer support, content creation, and more. Get started with ChatGPT by following these 3 simple steps. 1. Go to chat.openai.com and click the Sign Up button. 2. Use your email, Google, or Microsoft account to sign up. 3. Enter your name and verify your phone number with SMS or WhatsApp. Let's discover non-technical ways to make money online using ChatGPT, either for personal use or by selling your services on Fiverr. 1. Social media management. Use ChatGPT to easily create social media content like Twitter threads and Instagram captions. 2. Content creation. Generate SEO-friendly articles in minutes. 3. Translation. Ask ChatGPT to translate articles or content to any language. 4. Email marketing. Ask ChatGPT to create an email campaign for you. 'These are just a few basic ways to use ChatGPT to make money online. In the next video, I'll show you how to combine ChatGPT with other AI tools to maximize your earning potential. Don't forget to subscribe and thank you.